Alright, well, it was all dusty and dry like someone was actually here, and last night we got like 6 inches of heavy wet snow. Had a little sunshine 2 days before that, and then before then we got another 10 inches of snow, 8 inches, somewhere around there. But we needed it. We needed some ground moisture, but now it's like a big white sloppy mess. So I was in the middle of painting this chassis and putting this truck together when I decided to turn to poop. What I'm gonna do is see how Big Vern behaves after sitting out in the alley for a couple of days with a mountain of snow in the hood. So it'll be kind of a cold, shitty weather test start. See what happy is. Because I think I either got a moisture problem or crack in my sugar cap. Sometimes it gets a little wet in there. I'll fire this thing up, go start revving, it'll just snap, crackle, and pop and bang and just backfire like crazy. So, yeah, I actually had plowed this with my tractor twice. That's a bog. Tripod here. It'll take me a couple minutes to get that windshield cleared off. That's good to keep me on.